Whether you have a Fire Stick, Fire Cube, or a Fire TV, they all have one thing in common: the remote. Depending on your device model and age, they may look a little different, but they all have the same basic buttons. And in this guide, we'll be learning our top 5 most helpful remote shortcuts to use with your Amazon Fire device. Sound good? Well, stick around and let's get started. Hey there, fellow streamers! Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Fire Stick. Okay, so the first useful shortcut on our list is going to restart our Fire TV device. This comes in handy when your device is getting a little slow and laggy, and usually a quick reboot will get it running nice and smooth again. Just hold down the big select button and the play pause button for around 5 seconds, and you will see a message appear on the screen that your device is about to restart. While that's restarting, if you're going to be using your Fire Stick for streaming sports and movies from, questionable sources, we would highly recommend using a VPN. We highly recommend IPVanish, and by clicking the link in the description, you can get 83% discount. Here's a quick video of the benefits.
Did you know that your ISP can see all of your streaming activity? While your watch list may not be that interesting, your ISP can also keep track of all of your other online activity. Do you feel like your privacy is invaded now? With IPVanish, all of your data is encrypted, so your ISP can no longer understand your online activity. Protect your internet privacy today with IPVanish.
Just hit the link in the video for your discount. The next useful shortcut on our list is going to access a quick settings menu. We can use this menu to access popular settings on our devices in quick time. All you need to do is hold down the home button on your remote for around 5 seconds and the menu will appear. Our next awesome shortcut is going to change the resolution of our Fire TV device. This shortcut saves you having to scroll through a ton of settings and can come in useful if you are using your Fire Stick on different TVs. Just hold down the up button and the rewind button and you will see the current resolution. Hit OK to accept the current resolution or let the timer run down to switch to another. Cool, huh? Next up is the good old factory reset. Like most of these types of devices, over time your Fire TV device can become slow and unresponsive, and a factory reset can get it running smooth as silk again. Hold down the right button and the back button. Now keep them held down for 10 seconds or so, and you will see the option to perform a factory reset appear on your screen. The reset will go ahead when you press OK or the timer runs down. Just be sure you want to go ahead, as this reset will set your device back to as new. There's one more shortcut to go, and if you stick around till the end, we'll show you how to install a cheeky app that covers movies, TV shows, and even live TV all in one. Make sure to watch till the end. The last shortcut before your bonus app guide is the developer options shortcut. Now you may not have this enabled yet, but don't worry, the app guide in a minute will show you how to do so. First, press the center button and hold for a second, then press the down button and hold both for around 4 seconds. Then release and press the menu button. There's a ton of setting to play around with in here, and we will be producing a video on exactly what they are in the near future. Don't worry if that didn't work for you yet, as I'm just about to show you how to enable them in this super all content in one app install guide. Let's get started. Head back to your home screen. First, we're going to head to the home screen of your device and make our way across to the search icon. In the search bar, start typing the word downloader, and after a couple of letters, it should appear at the top of the list, so go ahead and click on it. Click on the icon, you can't miss it, it's the big orange one with downloader written on it. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that like and subscribe button, it only takes 2 seconds, but helps out the channel massively. Before we open up Downloader, we need to enable some hidden settings to make it work. So hit the Home button, make your way across to Settings, and then down to the My Fire TV icon. By default, the developer options are hidden. Just enter the About section and tap on the device name 7 times. Hit the back button and you should now see they have been enabled. Once inside, go ahead and click Install Unknown Apps. You can now go ahead and switch the toggle to On for Downloader. Now click Home and make your way across to the Downloader app. Once inside, head to the search bar and type in the code you see on the screen. 502373. Hit go and wait for the magic to happen. Just hit accept and the app will start to download. Once it's finished, hit install. Once it's finished, hit done. We can then delete the install files to free up space on your device. Press your home button and navigate to your apps. We are now going to move the app to the front for easier access. Go to Flix app, hold down the center button on your remote, and move it to the beginning of the list. And that's it. You can now enjoy all the free movies, TV shows, and live TV this amazing app has to offer. If you found this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe to stay up to date with any future tutorials. It only takes 2 seconds, but means the world to us small channels. If you have any tutorial requests, then drop us a comment, and we'll do our best to make it for you. Enjoy.